watching My Cousin's Squishies. Girl, I liked it, okay? But this sound was Chief's kiss. Anyways, like in 7/10. Look at this ugly cube thing. Why does it stretch? No, because that's weird. It's giving fake vibes to tenths. Girl. But why does it look like it got attacked by green eggs and ham? No, it needs to take a bath 0/10. Why is it deformed? Oh no, that's creepy. So I actually don't like vegetables, so for that reason 0/10. Ooh. No, because why is it farting that's unladylike? Y'all heard that right. 1/10 anyway, come back for part 2.